How expensive are Tesla repairs compared to gas cars? All right, Tesla fam. One of the biggest questions EV owners have is whether Tesla repairs are more or less expensive than traditional gas cars. Let's break it down so you know what to expect when it comes to maintenance and repair costs. Are Tesla repairs more expensive? Yes and no. While Teslas require less regular maintenance than gas cars, no oil changes, spark plugs, or timing belts. Some repairs can be pricier due to specialized parts and labor. Common Tesla repair costs versus gas cars. Some Tesla repairs can be more expensive, especially major ones like a battery replacement, which can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 if it's out of warranty. However, Tesla brakes last much longer thanks to regenerative braking, meaning you won't need to replace them as often as you would on a gas car, which can cost between $250 and $700. Tire replacements are fairly comparable, costing around $200 to $400 per tire for a Tesla, similar to high-performance gas cars. One of the more unique repairs for a Tesla is the touchscreen replacement, which can cost between $1,500 and $2,000. Gas cars don't have this issue, but they may require expensive engine or transmission repairs instead. If you ever need suspension work, Tesla repairs typically range from $1,000 to $2,000, which is similar to high-end gas cars. Why some Tesla repairs are expensive. Tesla repairs can be pricier due to specialized parts that aren't always available at third-party repair shops. Since Tesla doesn't have as many service centers as traditional automakers, repairs can take longer and cost more due to limited options. Additionally, Teslas rely heavily on software, which sometimes requires expensive replacements like the touchscreen or autopilot cameras, rather than a simple mechanical fix. How Tesla saves you money in the long run. While some repairs can be costly, Tesla save money over time in several ways. You won't need to worry about oil changes, which can cost $50 to $100 regularly for a gas car. Brake pad replacements are rare thanks to regenerative braking, which reduces wear and tear. Since Teslas don't have traditional engines, transmissions, or exhaust systems, there are fewer moving parts that could fail over time. Plus, many software-related issues can be fixed with over-the-air updates, avoiding expensive dealership visits. Are Tesla repairs worth it? Overall, Teslas tend to cost less to maintain than gas cars, but when repairs are needed, they can be more expensive due to specialized parts and labor. To avoid high costs, consider an extended warranty, Tesla insurance, and regular maintenance checks. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.